Hello buddies, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Gmail account to your mobile phone. Normally you can add Gmail account to your phone if you are using Google Classroom, Google Meeting, or any kind of service from the Google. You have to suppose you have 2-3 Gmail account, you need to change the Gmail account one by one. So before that you have to add where we gone. What first you need to go to settings, and the settings after you can see the Google. So this place will be different from the phone to phone. I'm using Xiaomi phone, but Samsung and Apple phone is little bit different. I don't know about that. So after that you have to click here and add Google account. After that you need to put your password. I'm not going to do that. Okay, but I forgot that. Okay, yes, this is my code. Don't remember it, right? But normally I'm changing my code. Okay, first you need to put your Gmail account. After that, after your Gmail account, it will ask your password. Okay, I'm not going to show you that part because my old Gmail account I already added to the phone, so I don't have another one. So here you have to put your Gmail, then click the next. After that it will ask your password. After password you need to sign in. When you sign in, it already added to your phone. Then you can change like this. You can change your Google any account from the any service. Oh, thank you. If you need to know anything, any question, you can type in the comment section. I will try my best to answer. Thank you.